Welcome to King's Crypto Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit, also from Bybit to Binance with zero gas fee straight away. And let's see how we can get this done. So open your Binance. I'm going to be moving the assets first from Binance to Bybit, and also I'll be moving from Bybit to Binance, showing you how this is possible and how I've done this several times, and this is going to help you a whole lot. So please, if you have not hit on the subscribe button, can you do so right now? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can get more valuable content like this. Thank you guys. I know you have done that, so yeah, do that right now. Thank you. All right, in this demo account, I'm having $357 in this demo account. I'm going to be using it for this process. So this is my Binance right now. I'm going to be going to assets. One of the things I'll be delivering in this video is that I'll be showing you the strategy that works all the time, not just the one that works within a time frame. I'll be showing you the strategy, the logic behind it itself. So I'll click on right now I'm actually sending out. I'm sending from here to Bybit, and I want to also send from Bybit back to Binance. So I'll click on send. So just come here, click on send, and right now, so it's going to ask me send to Binance user, on-chain withdraw USD P2P trading. So I'm using on-chain withdraw. So I'll click on XDT here. So I'm withdrawing USDT from Binance right now to my Bybit account. So okay, ignore. So what you want to do right now is that you want to find the address here that's promised zero charges. So you have to review all the address here and find out. This is the strategy right now. So you want to find out which of them promise the zero charges, and you also want to confirm if that same network is available on Bybit. So the first process is you open your Binance, which I've done. The second process is that you find out the network. You are trying to find the network which promise zero charges. And how do you know the fee? This is where you see the gas fee. You see there are different networks I can use to actually move my asset from Binance to Bybit. So this is it right here. So I'm seeing BEP20 here is saying fee is zero USDT. You can see it right there. BNB also is promising fee 0 USDT. TLC is promising 1 USD. Aptos is promising 0.2, 0.28. You can see Celo 0.3. You can see Asset Orb 0.71 USDT, a whole lot of them. So that's also in all this right now. The only one that actually promises us zero gas fee from moving assets from Binance to Bybit is only BEP20 chain through the BEP20 network. So we're going to make use of that at this point. If there are any other one, we'll confirm if that same network is available on Bybit, they'll make use of. So now that we know that Binance promised that, let's open Bybit. I also have a Bybit demo account here on this phone. So let's see what is there, and let's see if we can actually use BEP20 to move the asset. Then we do so immediately. The Bybit is loading up. So please, in the meantime, while we wait for Bybit to load up, you have not hit on subscribe button, can you do so right now so that you can keep getting valuable content from us, and ensure you also join our Telegram channel where I drop free signals time to time. All right, Bybit is here. So on this Bybit account, I'm having zero. Nothing is on this account. You can see it's a demo account as well. So I'm having nothing here. So let me go to assets. So I'll be clicking deposit on Bybit, not withdraw. Don't forget that where you are taking the funds from, you click withdraw. Where you are sending the money to, you click deposit. So don't forget that no matter what. So click on deposit. It's also actually asking me here, deposit crypto, P2P trading, buy with NGN. So I'm depositing crypto. That's their own on-chain withdraw. So it's going to ask me here, which of the crypto am I depositing? I'm depositing USDT. So that's USDT. I'll click on USDT. And the next thing is going to display that it's going to give me the options of network that are available. So see here right now, it's telling me that deposit, I have the opportunity of BEP20 here. That's one of the network I can use, and many other network which I won't be able to go through. But here now, Bybit is not the one that wants to charge me. It's actually Binance that is charging me for withdrawal. So it's on Binance. I'm trying to find where I can actually transfer with zero gas fee. Hope you get that. So now that Binance promised that I'm using BEP20 network, is actually zero gas fee and charges. So I'm going to click here. So it says slide to confirm. I'll just click slide to confirm. Then I'm going to come here. This for beginners, anyone that just needs cryptocurrency. I'm going to click copy. So it has been copied. You can see it here, copy successfully. So it has been copied. So after copying that, I've copied the BEP20 network. So I'll go to Binance back. So now I'm back to Binance. I'll click on, I want to use BEP20 address. Hope you get the point. So, and note here, it's telling me the minimum I can withdraw is actually $10. So if you're having less than $10, you may not be able to use this network. You may find another network to use. But the minimum, we are moving from Binance to Bybit with zero charges. As far as this time is concerned, as far as the coin situation is concerned, it's only BEP20 network. As time goes on, there's always an upgrade. They can upgrade it. You can find out that the one that is 0.02, for instance, right now, this one that is 0.02, like this, that is 0.04 might be 0.000. So you have to constantly check for update. That's why I said this strategy works all the time, not just in 2025, in 2024, in 2026. It works all the time. So it's all about you understanding the strategy behind it. It's about you finding out which network promise the zero gas fee, and finding and troubleshooting if that same network is available on the other exchange you are moving it to. So right here, I'll long press here on this box to paste my address and ensure that the address, no matter what, is not being edited at all. Just paste. If you remove this 5, I mean, you're going to lose your phone. So you have to ensure that there's no single edit, just copy and paste. That's when it comes to network address, copy and paste. Anything that make you edit anything there, you are losing all your funds. So I'm pressing, let's just try $50. That's fine. Let's move the $50 out of here. So I'm moving $50 from here to Bybit. So I'll click on, the next thing is withdraw. So I'm going to click on withdraw, which I'm doing so right now. And it's going to ask me for confirmation, maybe through my authenticator and also through my email. So I'm going to go to my authenticator to confirm that, okay, I'm making so transaction. And the next thing, okay, it said confirm. So I'm also going to click confirm here. So after clicking confirm, let's see. So the next thing is going to ask me to verify. That's the security check to be sure that I'm the one carrying out this transaction. Right, so it asks me right now to paste the code that has been sent to my authenticator. So I have the authenticator on my phone. All I just need to do right now is to find my Google authenticator and find out the code that has been sent to it. I know some of you also have your authenticator on your phone. I think I have an authenticator on this phone. Okay, yes, we do. So there's one here. So I'll open my authenticator app to copy the code. I'm taking you step by step, so there's no reason rushing. I'm just taking you gradual process so you can see everything is live. So I'm copying my Binance code here. So I just did right now, copy the code, then go to Binance, then I paste the code on my Binance app, then automatically it submits itself. So I've pasted it on my Binance app, then it's been submitted. So withdrawal processing, so it's processing already, 0 fee, nothing. So I can view the history to find out how the transaction is ongoing. So we wait. Don't worry, very soon Binance will notify me that it has been deposited. This is what I've done in the last few days on this same account. So you can see this one is still processing. I believe in the next 2-3 minutes it should be done, so we can get it done. So in the meantime, we go back to our Bybit. Bybit should also notify us that there's a withdrawal process ongoing, there's a deposit process ongoing. So it may take 1 or 2 minutes, then it will reflect immediately. So let me just use the opportunity. You can see deposits confirm in progress. That's Bybit notifying me right now that there's a deposit in progress. You have one deposit request pending confirmation. So in the meantime, while we wait for this deposit to appear, don't forget that earlier before then on my Bybit, I'm having 0.18, that's 18 cents, not up to $1 on my account. So let's wait for it to be confirmed. And we'll also check what we have on Binance and find out that we actually charge 0 fee, nothing. So in the meantime, while we wait for that to be confirmed, please don't forget that the main strategy or the main logic behind this zero gas fee is for you to troubleshoot. Today, BNB might be available for free. Tomorrow, it will not be available for free. So you have to constantly update yourself. So anytime you want to make transfer, you ask yourself, okay, let me check on Bybit, let me check Binance, let me find out which of them has a zero gas fee. So you must ensure that consistently. And please, I know you have not subscribed on this YouTube channel. It won't cost you anything to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button, and that's all. That's all. It's going to help us. It's going to help you to push our content out to other people out there. And it's also going to help you personally get frequent content like this from us whenever it's out. I mean, valuable content like this. So please ensure you do click on the subscribe button and also ensure to like this video. You can also drop a comment in the section below if you have any question, which I'll be glad to answer you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel. It's very key. We wait for this to confirm. We are waiting. See guys, it's confirmed. You can see $50 being deposited right there, so you can see it right now, absolutely confirmed. So, and on my Binance, you can also see I was having 350 something on it before. We know what we were having initially when we started the video. You can also go and find out on my Binance that nothing was charged. It was apparently zero gas fee. I'm trying to open back my Binance so that I'll confirm what was on it and what was deducted. Let's go back to Binance and see. Trying to load back our Binance. So you can see I was having 357 initially, so 307, nothing, zero charges. It was apparently free. So now let me also move it back from Bybit to Binance so that the process can be dual and can be completed on both ends, and you can see what I'm trying to explain. So now I want to I'm moving from Bybit right now to Binance. So the next thing I have to do is that I want to click on withdraw. So I want to find out the available network I can actually use for this process. So I'm clicking on withdrawal here. So let's see. Let's follow through the process. It's going to appear, it's going to show me different networks that are available, and I'm going to choose which one I want to use and which one actually promise zero gas fee. Then I'm also going to go to Binance to confirm if that same network is available to be used. So I want to withdraw USDT. I click on USDT. The next thing is asking me, is it an on-chain transfer or internal transfer? It's an on-chain transfer. I'm moving from one exchange to another exchange. Is an on-chain. Internal transfer is maybe from Bybit to Bybit. It's called internal transfer. But from one network, from one app to another app, is called on-chain transfer. So assuming it's on Bybit right now, it's just internal transfer. I'll click on internal transfer. Then it's going to ask me my UID, my mobile number, and that's all. So let's be very fast because of time is on our side. So the next thing I want to check is the network, available network that promises zero gas fee. So just review through it. Go straight down. You can see this one $8, 1.6, and the likes. So I'm going down. I can see one Mantu network actually promise 000 fee. I can see Mantu network, and I can see Aptos promise 0 fee. So all I want to do is that I can see Aptos, I can see Mantu. So I'm going to confirm, are these two networks available on Binance? If they're available on Binance, for me to deposit, then I'm going to make use of that. So straight away, I'm opening my Binance. Quickly, let me go and check. I want to add funds. Don't forget right now, I'm depositing to Binance, so it's add fund, not send again. So click on add funds and on-chain deposits as usual. Okay, so you can see it has popped up right here. So you just click on USDT. Immediately pop up, I click on USDT. So you're gonna ask me which network that I want to use. So don't forget we have one that promises us. We have Texas, and we also have was it Texas and Arbitrum that promises us zero gas fee. Let's go back to Bybit to confirm which of them we have that promises us. We have not Arbitrum, we have Aptos, and we also have Aptos promises us zero gas fee, and we also have let's look through it. Which one of them promises us zero gas fee again? Aptos and we have Aptos. We also have Mantu network. So Aptos and Mantu. So I want to confirm on Binance. Do you have Aptos and Mantu to deposit with? So what I'm having here, I'm only having okay. We are going to we have Aptos. Aptos is available. Aptos is available on Binance. We have Aptos, but Mantu is not available, so it's only Aptos we can use that can give us zero gas fee. So click. So that's why you have to check constantly, depending on time you're making your transfer, or depending on time you're watching this video, with the time which network you're going to use. So there's no specific network as it's where that you can use. So I'm copying Aptos right now. So I'll go back to my Bybit. Aptos, then I'll also click on my Bybit. I'll click on I'm using Aptos network. So when I click I'm using Aptos network, then I'll paste the address. Don't forget the address must not be edited, just paste as you copy. Then I'll click on minimum withdrawal on Aptos is even zero, so I can withdraw as low as $1 from Bybit to Binance. Minimum withdrawal is zero, you can see it here. So but I'm withdrawing everything back to Binance. I have nothing to do with it here, so I'm going to click absolutely maximum. I'm withdrawing off $50, and I'll click on it. So I'll click on withdraw. Then once I click on withdraw, the next thing I want to see is I want to go back to my Binance to confirm and do the necessary verification. Then go back to my Binance to confirm that the withdrawal process was apparently good. So to navigate through the network. So confirm. I'm going to click on confirm. So click on confirm. Sorry, just click on confirm. And it's going to show you the next thing. It's going to show you the what's it called? The security verification. They are doing double security verification. They are sending a code to my mail, and also so you click on get code so that the code will be sent to your mail. Get code. The code will be sent to your mail. Once click. I'm coming. So we have confirmed already. The withdrawal has been submitted right now. So withdrawal application submitted. The code has been confirmed. So now we wait for some minute, then we go to our Binance to check if the withdrawal was successful and if we are charged 0 fee. So you can see here it's already in process here, and that's already, you can see here you have one withdrawal request being processed on Bybit already, so it has left the Bybit app. So all we are going to do right now is we're going back to our Binance to be sure that it has reflected on our Binance. So it may take 1 or 2 minutes for it to pop up on our Binance as well. Go to our Binance to be sure this transfer was apparently successful. Waiting for it to load, and you can see the money has reflected. The $50 was deposited. You can see it here complete. $50 that was $50 USD that was withdrawn was also deposited. You can see the withdrawal completed, the deposit is completed with 0 gas fee. So this is exactly how this works, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you do so, please ensure to like, and please ensure to join our Telegram channel where you can get valuable content like this, and also you can subscribe to our Signal room. You can check all our VIP offer. We have the link to the VIP offer we have below. You can see the HZ class where you can learn everything about cryptocurrency from us. You also have the Signal where you can get daily profitable signals from us. It's just going for $50, which is lifetime Signal room, and also the HZ course is apparently $50 as well, and that also teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. And you can also get our technical analysis course, which is going for $100. That's a full guide on technical analysis. Guys, I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day.